I saw a hoarding of a school, and that read something like, producing leaders of tomorrow. And that is the kind of billboard that would probably have sold, let's say, 10 years ago. And that is also the kind of work that I have done in advertising. However, after becoming a parent in today's generation, I realized that today's parents, or at least coming from the background that I come from, where I have access to a lot of resources, parents are not looking at producing leaders, but they are looking at their kids going into environments in school where teachers are receptive, where they are safe. And when I say safe, it's not just physically safe, it is emotionally safe. Safe to have a voice of their own, safe to say no, safe to have a different opinion from others. Looking back, there are many examples in our own schools when children are bullied and the other children don't really realize it. And it is very normal for somebody to make fun of another person and to find it okay. When we grow up, we realize that that was bullying and it was not okay. And today, I think it is essential for us to instill in our kids that every child can be different. Not all children or people are going to agree with you. Not all of them are going to be pleasant either. They may have bad experiences, which could come from other teachers, it could come from different types of authorities, or from other children as well. However, when I'm looking at a hoarding, when I'm looking at a billboard, I want to know that you are inculcating a space where there's a voice, where there's safety, where there is learning, and where there is not just systemic learning but developmental learning. Something that can help my child maneuver, navigate through challenges of the modern world. And mind you, I'm raising my child in a world that is very different from the world I grew up in. And the world that they are going to go out into as adults is going to be drastically different. So we are preparing them to grow up and enter a world as adults that we don't know of at all. So on the go, we're just constantly trying to figure out if they are emotionally well equipped, if they are physically well equipped, if they can take care of themselves, if they can be financially independent, if they can voice their opinions, if they can find jobs in an ever-changing job market, if they can actually stand up for the earth, the environment, because there are not a lot of sustainable things happening. There are way too many things that many parents are thinking. So schools, take note. We don't just want leaders. We want humans who are kind to each other. We want humans who are actually smart enough and not just brave enough to take on this world that we are building around them and attempt to make it better for everyone, for themselves.